Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and my Santa Barbara getaway continues. Now I am staying at the other Kimpton Hotel here in Santa Barbara. I'm at the Kimpton Goodland, Santa Barbara, which is actually in Goleta, about 10 minutes from downtown Santa Barbara. And I also, on this trip, I stayed at the Kimpton Canary, and you can see a tour of my room and also of the hotel's presidential suite, also here on my YouTube channel. Also, before I start with the tour of my room here at the Goodland Hotel, let me ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is click the subscribe button right here, right there, right, one of those places. And I really appreciate it. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. And when you click subscribe, if you click the little alarm bell, then YouTube will alert you each time I upload a new video. And I'm Luxury Fred, and I'm a luxury travel and car writer, and I document all my adventures around the world here for my YouTube channel for you guys. So again, I am here at the Kimpton Goodland, just outside Santa Barbara. And I'm staying in one of the hotel's King Deluxe courtyard rooms. So let me give you a tour. So the hotel's design is what they call Bohemian Chic, which is something I hadn't heard of before, but that's what they call the design style. It's kind of a funky, mid-century modern meets a little bit of hippiness. So it's a mid-century modern theme, but you have macrame wall hanging on the wall behind the bed, and you have other kind of hippie-ish touches, if I might say. Also, let me move my backpack here because this also shows the kind of style of the chair with the rope on it. So again, this is a King Deluxe courtyard room. It's nighttime right now, but by magic, let me show you what it looks like during the daytime. Okay, so you can see we have a view of the pool and all that stuff, and we have a little kind of seating area over here with this very cool metal topped table. Very cool design to that. Kindly, the hotel has sent up some wine and some nuts for me, and the wine is a Nielsen Pinot Noir from Santa Barbara County. Interesting. If you look at my other videos, you'll see that I did an interview and a tasting with a guy named Chase Carhart tonight. He's the winemaker from a winery called Carhart Vineyard. He's also the great-grandson of the founder of Carhart Clothing. And there are a ton of amazing wineries up here near Santa Barbara and in Santa Ynez. And there's a whole little town called Los Olivios, which means the olives in Spanish. I'm sorry for butchering the pronunciation. But there's like 100 winery tasting rooms all in this little town. And they sell all the wine direct to consumers. So Santa Barbara and the surrounding area is a great place to go wine tasting. There's some amazing, amazing wineries up here, and really amazing wine as well, really world-class wine. So you see we have a nice bed, looks very, very comfortable and very neatly, nicely made. We have these cool end tables with these glass lamps. Again, you have this little cool thing to sit on. This is your little mini bar kind of area with snacks and some booze and things like that. It's funny, when I first got here, I got all excited and thought, wow, they had special custom water made just for me, but apparently there's a brand of water called Fred. Something very cool and unique about this hotel is it is musical, in that every room has one of these cool retro record players. And every room comes with some records. And if you don't like these particular records, in the lobby, there's a whole little record store where you can, well, record store / library. So you can go down and you can trade these records for other records that you might want to listen to. And again, it's like a lending library. Actually, let me show it to you. And here is the little record store in the lobby. So as you can see, you have a nice selection of vinyl records. And you can check these out to play in your room. And then if you really like them, you can even buy the vinyl records and take them home. See? Take me home tonight. So as you can see, we have that cool lending library in the lobby for records, so you can exchange if you don't like what's already in your room. And again, every room and suite here at the Goodland has records and a record player. It's kind of their theme, so to speak. Very cool patchwork wood on the bureau here. In the bathroom, we have a sliding glass door, and then a compact yet very nice bathroom. We have a little closet here. Every Kimpton hotel does give you bathrobes. Unfortunately, they don't give you slippers, but they will send slippers up if you ask for them. I don't know why they don't put them in the rooms. Come on, hotels. Every hotel should give you slippers. What, do you want to walk around in your bare feet or your socks on a dirty floor? Come on now. And every Kimpton also has a yoga program and has yoga mats in the rooms, so you're ready to go with yoga. And then over here, again, compact bathroom, but we do have a tub, which is very important for Luxury Fred, and a nice little shower over here. So compact bathroom, but very nice, you know, nice clean lines and nice fixtures and all that kind of stuff. This hotel was originally a Holiday Inn, and Kimpton came in and spent a lot of money totally refurbishing and redeveloping and redesigning and all that kind of stuff, all the rooms, to bring it up to Kimpton's cool brand standards. In case you didn't know, Kimpton is a very cool luxury boutique hotel brand that's owned by IHG. So you can use your IHG Rewards membership and you can earn points or use points. I'm a Gold Elite member, so when I check in, I get a little coupon for $10 off from the mini bar or from the restaurant, which is my little amenity from IHG. Okay? So I think that concludes the tour. Again, this is the Kimpton Goodland Hotel, Santa Barbara, which is actually in Goleta, about 10 or 15 minutes from downtown Santa Barbara. And I am Luxury Fred. You can read more about my adventures at luxuryfred.com. Please also follow me on social media at Luxury Fred. I also have a food Instagram, which is at Eat with Fred, and I even have an automotive Instagram, which is at Drive with Fred, because I also review cars. And you can see all my car stuff there, and again, you can see all my food-related stuff at Eat with Fred. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.